Kathryn Hills here again today from the EUP ISD Lifespan Program, and today we're going to make cucumber chickpea salad. Cucumbers are in season right now. They haven't come up in my garden, but one of my friends gave me all of these cucumbers from her garden, and she had plenty more already on her plants. I can see the blossoms on my cucumber plant, so cucumbers grow pretty quickly, so it shouldn't be too long before I have them in my own garden. So today we're going to start with a can of chickpeas. They're also known as garbanzo beans. So if you're at the store looking for chickpeas and you cannot find them, look for garbanzo beans. That's usually how the cans are labeled. All right, so we're gonna put a can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas into our medium-sized bowl. And then the recipe calls for half of an onion chopped. I used a yellow onion because they're a little more mild than the white onions. I already have that chopped, so I'm going to add that right into my bowl with the chickpeas. All right, we're gonna just stir that up a little bit. All right, and then the next ingredient is half of a cucumber seeded and chopped. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to seed a cucumber. I already cut it in half, and then I cut that other half into two more halves. See all the seeds in the middle? To get those seeds out, all you have to do is take a spoon and just kind of scoop them out. It's pretty simple. And then whatever you're making with your cucumbers will be a little less watery because cucumbers are 96% water. Now, along with all that water, they do have vitamins, so they are nutritious for our bodies, although we do need water, obviously. They're a source of B vitamins, vitamin K, and vitamin C. We've talked a lot about vitamin C lately, how it's a good boost to our immune system. Vitamin K, one of its jobs is to help build strong bones, and B vitamins help give you energy. All right, so we have that seeded. If you can see, there's no more seeds in there. I already have one seeded and chopped, so I'm gonna add that in here. Dust those out. This is a great, easy summer salad. All right, next ingredient is a tomato. Now that is also something that will be coming up in my garden soon. I have a lot of little green tomatoes. They're not red yet. All right, but they should be available at the farmer's market soon too. I was just there yesterday and I didn't see any tomatoes, but I'm sure in the next couple of weeks, some vendors will probably have tomatoes. So I've already chopped that tomato. I'm gonna put that right in here. Okay, give it another stir. It's starting to look really good. All right, now we're gonna add some seasonings and some Italian dressing. So it calls for a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I use garlic in a lot of my cooking, so that's usually something I always have on hand. So I'm just gonna get a 1/4 teaspoon, sprinkle that in there. All right, and then it also calls for a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. So here's the salt. And be really careful not to put too much in there. All right, and then pepper. Pepper has 2 openings, and gotta make sure I open the right one. Oh, that's the sprinkle one. All right, sprinkle that around. All right, now I'm gonna give it a stir before I add my Italian dressing. It's starting to look really good. I'm gonna shake my dressing up. You could use any Italian dressing that you would like. The recipe calls for a low-fat variety. I bought one that specifically had olive oil in it. All right, so a 1/4 cup. Drizzle that all in there. Give it a good stir. Simple as that. You have the cucumber chickpea salad. All right, and I give this a little try. It's delicious. Give it a try. Thanks.